Today's the day, my friends. We are going to clean our microwaves. Mine is a mess, and I have a feeling yours might be too. Let's get started. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle cleaning our microwave ovens. I know that this is something that is probably used on a daily basis, if not multiple times throughout the day. I know here in our house we are using it constantly, and it does get very dirty. So today I wanted to share with you how I use just a very few little products that you probably already have in your home to clean it. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the camera around so you can see what I'm using, and we'll get started on doing our microwaves. Okay, first thing you want to do is get yourself a microwave safe bowl. We're going to be doing 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and a few squeezes of lemon juice. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour in the water, measure out the 1 cup of vinegar. Do it over the sink so okay, and then you're just going to take some lemon slices, maybe about a half of the lemon, squeeze them in there. Don't worry about the pits. And I also just drop them in there as well. The citrus in the lemon really helps lift up any of the, caked on food that has been sitting there maybe for a while. It'll really help you clean your microwave once we go ahead and get this in the microwave. Let me just rinse my. Okay, from here we're going to go ahead and take our bowl and put it in the microwave. Just put it right in the center, and we're going to put the microwave on for 5 minutes. Okay, so now we want to very carefully take the bowl out. And remember, it is going to be hot, so you may want to use some hot holders. Okay, next we're going to take a microfiber cloth. I'm going to go ahead and remove this glass tray because we're going to wash that separately in the sink. Take the ring off as well. And we're just going to go ahead and start wiping out. Okay, I wanted to see if I can get it closer for you to be able to see a little bit better. So as I was saying, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and just start wiping it down, removing all the food particles that are now coming up nice and easily. Okay, I was having trouble getting myself in here without using the step stool. So I'm going to go ahead and put you to the side while I go ahead and just wipe this out. And there may be areas in your microwave that you need to use a like a scrub daddy brush, maybe for those areas where the food just isn't coming off as easily. Okay, here's a close-up of what it looks like right now. I have done the bottom, although I see a little bit of some food here, the sides and the back. I have not done the top yet. I'm going to wipe that down now. But really using the vinegar and the water with a little bit of lemon really helps the dirt lift very easily. You also don't want to forget the inside of the door. It really, probably has to be cleaned as well. And again, just with the damp cloth, you're just going to really just go over. And if you have any caked on food or grease, it is definitely going to come off very easily. Much better. Okay, and for the glass tray, I'm just going to go ahead and give this a rinse off with some warm water. And I like to use my Dawn foam. And I'm just going to go ahead and just clean this off with the Dawn. Okay, so now that this is all clean, I'm going to go ahead, and I don't know about anybody else, but I always have trouble getting these to lay right again. So we will do our best here. Yeah, never ever works for me. I don't know why. Okay, wait, I think I got it. Okay, good. And the last thing we want to do is go ahead and clean the outside. I'm just going to use a little bit of the Dawn Power Wash on just a damp paper towel. I'm just actually just going to put it right on there and go ahead and just run this over. Don't forget the handle because that's where all the kids leave their sticky hands. Okay, I'm just going to rinse this off and then that's it. We're good to go. Okay, so it does look so much better. What a difference. Just 5 minutes in the microwave and you can wipe out all that dirt, the grease, the caked on food. Looks so much better. Really easy. What a difference. And that is it for today, my friends. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video and you found it helpful. Please let me know in the comments below if you're going to give this a try as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.